Good evening, friends. Namaskar. I'm architect Prachi, and you are watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. What I learned in my practice of 30 years as an interior designer will be shared with you on this channel. We will also have one expert guest speaker who will give you valuable tips and info about the color in this series. From today, we are going to post about one color each every day evening 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So today's color is red. Our today's guest speaker is astrologer and Vastu consultant Pallavi Desai. She will tell us about where and how to use red color as per Vastu in our interiors. Red is the first rainbow color and Lord Ganesha's favorite color too. गणपति बापा का आशीर्वाद लेकर मैं ये कलर्स की नई वीडियो सीरीज शुरू करती हूँ. I simply love to see the world rise. When the universe gives you a hint, the day is starting. आकाश में लालिमा छा जाता है और सूरज के आगमन का संदेशा देता है. Red is the most vibrant and happening color of all. Color of blood, नव निर्माण का रंग. Red is an excellent color to use as a highlight or to accentuate an area. Similarly, a hint of red in your decor motivates your brain to think of new ideas. Without any worry, you can use 10% of red in combination with tones and shades of white, yellow, light grey, lush green. But be careful if you want to use red with blues. नीले आसमान में लालिमा सुंदर दिखे ये विधाता तो बड़ी आसानी से कर सकता है, पर हमें लाल और नीला रंग साथ में विचार पूर्वक ही इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Only certain tones of reds goes well with certain shades of blue. So we humans have to be very careful about percentage of both the colors red and blue if we are using them together. You don't have to worry so much if you want to use red with green. They gel together very well. We have ready-made guide which is free for all. Really it is free. It is Kudrat, that is Mother Nature. You can look at any plant with red flowers. You will observe that nature changes the shade of green as the shade of red flowers change. हर लाल फूल के साथ उसको साजा हरा कलर होता है, so that the red flowers will be seen prominently. Now you know which colors can be used with red highlights. You must be wondering where to use them. For past few months, our life has become very monotonous with the lockdown. You can add some colors in your house with colorful pillows. You can add red and grey or red and yellow pillows on your sofas. Red and turquoise throw pillows look very well together, and that's my staff's favorite color combination for throw pillows. Curtains, yes, you can have curtains in the shades of red or darker red. या तो curtains with red embroidery look very elegant as well. You can use red color inside niches in wall, paintings and murals with lots of red or dots of red. Both look lovely. You can have accessories in reds, red vase and red pottery. Or any pottery with red flowers look beautiful. Now before we go further, let's see what our expert guest speaker today has to say. Otherwise I'll give you so many tips and she'll say something else. So let's see what Vastu consultant Pallavi Desai has to say about the red color as per Vastu.
Hello, this is Pallavi Desai. I am an astrologer and Vastu consultant practicing for past 14 years. वास्तु शास्त्र के अनुसार हर एक दिशा का एक रंग रहता है और साउथ ईस्ट मतलब आग्नेय दिशा के लिए रेड ये कलर दिया गया है. आग्नेय दिशा में यूजुअली किचन होना चाहिए वास्तु के अनुसार, और वहाँ पे कुछ सिंबॉलिकली आप रेड कलर का रख सकते हैं. पूरा रूम वो रेड कलर से कलर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप वहाँ पे एक वाज, पेंटिंग या कोई आर्टिफैक्ट भी रख सकते हैं जो रेड कलर का.
Though Pallavi said entire wall need not be in red, मतलब पल्लवी जी ने ये कहा कि पूरी वॉल को लाल कलर लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है, लेकिन काफ़ी सारे क्लाइंट्स को लाल कलर उनके घर में चाहिए होता है और वो पूछते हैं. Now let's see how to use red color on walls. अब मैं बताती हूँ कि हम कैसे काम करते हैं. Before giving any proposal to client, we prepare lots and lots of color alternatives in-house. Our staff makes lots of visuals using different colors. अलग अलग कलर्स हम पहले डाल के देखते हैं विजुअल्स में, और फिर उसमें जो सबसे बेस्ट होता है, the only the best alternative is shown to the client. So we have collected lots of visuals ready with us, and some we have also made specially for this series of videos best color. Actually today I was going to do a new experiment with my recording using virtual background in the video. That's why the delay in posting red color video. And I also found out that I have not learned it successfully yet. So I have to show you photos only today. But if any of you know how to use it and record self videos with virtual background, please let me know. जैसे कि आपने पहले इमेज में देखा, we had tried entire wall to be in red color, but it was too prominent and bare. If the living room is huge, we can have the red walls, but either use a texture to subdue it. The shadows in the texture will match the red color. I'll suggest a simple solution to have large painting or art pieces on the wall. That will make the red color mild and plus give a very great background to the art pieces. If you give texture in red, it will give it depth. It will look rich. So try it and let me know in the comments below this video. If you work in a very boringly colored workspace, this red wall will cheer you up the moment you enter your house. Red will be a good color for your recreation room. But ideally I feel that red wall should not be seen in a room when you are sitting, relaxing on a sofa, watching TV, reading or checking your phone messages. It can be seen when you are roaming around in the house. So the red should be on the wall behind the sofa. That way you are not constantly looking at the red. If you are a sensitive person emotionally, red is not a color for your walls. And never use red for your bedroom. Your bedroom needs peace. Though red is color of passion, it is also a color of anger and violence. If your family or staff fights with each other a lot, check if you have red color in your decor. Please remove it immediately. It will help them to calm down to some extent. Try it out and let me know in the comments below if this helped. I have covered most of the things about using red color in residential as well as commercial interiors. Did I forget something? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I have forgotten some point. Yes. How can I forget red carpet? That's my favorite color carpet. Let's talk about it and finish this video. Red centerpiece or red rug will immediately change any dull room to a vibrant one. Even if you don't want the hassle of cleaning the carpet every day, you can always have one and store a roll of red carpet with you. Just place it below your center table and bingo, your living room will be ready to welcome the guests whenever they arrive. Bye for now. Keep watching our channel Interiors with Prachi. Tomorrow we will talk about the second rainbow color, that is orange. Subscribe and you will get a notification as soon as we publish a video. I thank astrologer and Vastu consultant Pallavi Desai for her valuable tips regarding how to use red color as per Vastu tips. Tomorrow there will be another expert telling you about orange color. Don't miss tomorrow's videos to know more about orange and how to use it in interiors and also the value of orange. Hi, you're watching my channel Interiors with Prachi. If you like the videos, like and subscribe our channel and watch the other videos in this playlist. Bye for now.